Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have like 17 jobs available for you in this particular video, and don't worry, I'm gonna make this extra short so you get all the information you can and apply for the best remote work from home job just for you. So this is with FluentU, and they're looking for people that are passionate about languages. So are you passionate about languages? Do you want to inspire a global language learning community? Join us and take a meaningful role in an established and stable startup that on the cutting edge of language education. So what is FluentU? FluentU is an online education company that helps people learn languages with real-world videos, including movie trailers, music videos, news, and inspiring talks. We have a popular website, usually 4 million plus visitors per month, iOS apps and Android app. Founded in 2011, we are a profitable, stable company with long-term focus, and we're proudly self-funded. FluentU is brought to you by a team of passionate language learners distributed around the world. What it's like to work at FluentU? Well, they're a 100% remote team with members distributed all over the world. Your workday is flexible. You decide when you work as long as you get everything done on time. And where you work, working from home, cafes, co-working spaces, they're all welcome. Most of our communication is text-based. We have a calm, highly collaborative environment. Communication is key. Opinions and input are always welcome and encouraged. We believe in continuous improvement and are constantly looking for better ways to get things done. We offer constructive feedback and opportunities for growth for every team member. We are a friendly and dedicated team. So here are the available positions. They have part-time and full-time positions available, and you just click on whichever position you like to apply for the job. Here I'm just mentioning the positions and won't go into depth into each position because there's so many positions available. There's image editor, there's senior full stack PHP and JS developer, senior mobile developer, bilingual video host for English learners, YouTube video host, script writer, blog editor, content editor in Korean, native English speaker, content editor Korean, native Korean speaker, English to French translator, English to German translator, French to Spanish translator, English assistant, email marketer, video editor, and temporary Chinese collaborator. And you can say that roughly each position starts around $40,000 per year. But again, it all varies because they're part-time, full-time, and it's all depending on your own schedule since you do decide when you want to work. So if this sounds like something amazing that you would like to be part of, and it has so many different positions, I'll put the link right below so you can apply right away. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have every single day between 5 to 7 work from home jobs remotely for you. So if you want not to miss out on the next opportunity, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.